Hello, this is DYC Tech Quest and I have M Audio Oxygen 49 here, and the problem is that some of the keys are sounding too loud. The velocity is very high and it's kind of sounding distorted. You can hear, for example, see this too. You see this too. You can hear that. These two. These two. So that's the problem with it. So let's dive straight into fixing it. So I'm done fixing it now. Let me test so you can hear how it sounds. Remember before the velocity was very high. When you play the keys, it sounds, some keys sounding louder than others, and some were sounding distorted, and then the drum pad too were not working, but you can see that the drum pad are working now. You see, it's DYC Tech Quest. Got you covered anytime.